Okay, fourth grade, our skill again this week is main idea and key details. Again, this is something we're going to use a lot in fifth grade with expository text. So the authors of informational text include a main idea and key details. So what exactly are those main idea and key details? We've done this quite a bit this summer, so I hope we've got this down. The main idea is the most important idea or point that an author makes in a paragraph or section of a text. Key details are those information that it gives you to support the main idea. So we're going to identify key details, and then we'll be able to figure out what that they all have in common that will tell you what the main idea is. So let's practice. We're going to reread the section New Kinds of Currency from the History of Money, that story we read yesterday. We're going to highlight those key details. I don't think I'm going to use my highlighter tool. It doesn't work so well. And we're going to just write them in the graphic organizer. Then use the key details to figure out the main idea. And I can use this think aloud to help me, but I feel like I've got this main idea and key detail thing down. So the history of money. So let's look at those. Remember, we're looking for details that have in common and what they're all about. Another form of currency, metal coins, first emerged in China around 1000 BC. Coins varied in shape, size, and worth. So this seems like it's a lot about coins. So I'm going to put this one in there. This coins varied in shape. Coins made of precious metals such as silver. By the 7th century BC, coins made of precious metals such as silver and gold became popular in Europe and the Middle East. These coins were usually round, so it talks again about the coins and their shape. There's so much about coins. After being weighed on a scale to determine their value, coins were stamped with designs that stated their worth. So I really think it's a lot about coins. So let me just put in some of my details. Coins were made of precious metals such as silver and gold. Coins were usually round. There's some details about coins that I found, and they were stamped with designs that stated their worth. So now I'm going to go back and figure out all those three things have in common. They all talk about coins. Let's put it in my own words. The first metal coins varied in shape, size, and worth. I feel like I was able to get that main idea from this very beginning section of the text. So sometimes that main idea is explicit and it's right there for you. Right there. You don't even have to go anywhere else, which is amazing. So let's try this one with paper money. Paper money, we're just going to read that and find some details and see if you guys can help me out. See if you're able to get on the same page and think with me. Carrying a bag of coins can be heavy. The weight of coins and a metal shortage are two reasons the use of paper money developed in China in the 10th century. The earliest European paper money appeared in Sweden at the beginning of the 17th century. Italy started to use paper money about 90 years later. Paper money originally represented the gold or silver a person had in the bank. Today, we can tell the value of paper money by reading the numbers printed on it. All right, so my favorite thing with expository text is this heading, the subheading, kind of gives it away of what the main idea is about. So we know the main idea is going to be about paper money and it's going to talk about that. So we need to find details that match that now. So we could put, the weight of coins and a metal shortage are two reasons the use of paper money developed in China in the 10th are two of the reasons that they were developed. So let me see if it's going to let me type today. The weight of coins and a metal. Not the main idea. Detail. Miss Stogdill. Weight of coins and metal shortage are two reasons paper money was invented. All right. Let me see if I can find another detail of something to do with paper money. The earliest European paper money appeared in Sweden at the beginning of the 17th century. Italy started to use paper money about 90 years later. Paper money originally represented the gold or silver a person had in the bank. I think that's a good one. Paper money originally, hope you found that one too. Probably found it faster than me. Represented the gold or silver that a person had in the bank. All right, let's see if you can find another detail with me faster than me. Today we can tell the value of paper money by reading the numbers printed on it. I feel like that might be the one. Today, paper money has numbers printed on it that determine its value. Okay, so now really thinking about the main idea of what all those details have in common. So the weight of the coins and metal shortage are two reasons paper money was invented. Paper money originally represented the gold or silver that a person had in the bank. Today, paper money has numbers printed on it that determine its value. Let's see if we're lucky and see if that main idea is just in the text. Carrying a bag of coins can be heavy, so paper money was invented. I feel like that is kind of the main idea of everything. There were problems with coins, and right here is that detail about the problems with coins. So paper money was invented to be more efficient. So it didn't exactly say that, but my three details match that. So that is exactly what we're looking for with main idea and detail, and I hope you were able to find some of those faster than your teacher. Excellent job. If you have any questions, there's no assignment with that. Again, this is just something you're going to see a lot in 5th grade. So keep practicing those main ideas and details when you read your own expository text.